Hello everyone, Alexander here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create and manage team member accounts, also called subaccounts, on TextLink. They can be used for various use cases, such as private workspaces for agency clients, or when you want someone else to set up the device for you and don't want to give them your main account credentials and the ability to send messages through already set up devices. But firstly, what is a subaccount? It is the TextLink account that you can create from your own TextLink account, and it has restricted access to our features. I'm now going to log in into one subaccount to show you what I mean. As you can see, a few of the things are missing here, most notably the billing and analytics, as well as the subaccount management links. So what are we left with? The chat app, which also has a restricted list of chats. Admin can manually choose which chats subaccount has access to, and by default subaccount has access to none of the chats. It has its own context, and when it sends a message to a new number, it gets access to that number. So pretty much like a new TextLink account that is made for just one person's communication, but admin can add him access to whatever phone number admin wants to. I'm going to show you that pretty soon. Alright, here in your no-code bulk SMS tool, you have access to your campaigns. It looks the same like on the admin account, except that you also don't have access to the admin's groups, but as a subaccount, admin has access to all of your groups that you create, as well as he can modify and manage all the campaigns that you are running. Also, when sending messages, you can only send messages to your own your phone numbers that you have access to, or to those completely new phone numbers that aren't anywhere in your admin's account, because otherwise you can't like send to someone to contacts of some other subaccount. Alright, let's go to the devices setup. So as a subaccount, you can download the app and log into it, and after that both you and your admin get access to that app, but you can't delete the device. That only admin can do that, and also you can't change the sender destinations. It's also a feature that only an admin can do. Alright, that's basically it. That's how the sub-user system functions, and now I'm going to show you how to actually create a sub-user account, and later in the video how to actually manage all the permissions for that sub-user. Alright, to create a sub-account, you just click this create new button and enter the email that you want the verification email to be sent to for your sub-user, so your sub-user's email. Once you do that, the confirmation email should have been sent to the user, and once he clicks a link in the email, also it's the same like when you were registering for a TextLink account. You can also then further manage his account and his capabilities. So here is our newly created subaccount. But if you prefer, you can also set him password manually. So I'll just make it be the same as his email address for it. All right. Now that his password has been changed, you can do pretty much anything that you can do with all the other sub-accounts. It gets this active status. All of these accounts are still pending confirmation of email or setting of password. So once it's active, you can change its email, password, copy its API key, delete it. This column is for the Go High Level connection, and I'm going to give you a video in the description about that details about all the things you can do with our sub-account system and Go High Level. So each of these accounts can basically be connected to a location, but as I said earlier, it's going to be detailedly explained in the next video I give you. Alright, let's manage this sub account. So as you can see, what over here, you can set him the message limits. So let's say this guy, I just want him to register a device. I want him to like test one message, so I'm going to give him a total limit of 2 messages. So there are 3 limits: daily limit, monthly limit, and total limit. Daily limit is like how many messages he can send per day, and yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. So I'm just going to save. Alright, he now has just 2 messages for testing. I can like further restrict it to, yeah, he can only send test once a month, but I don't want to do that. Basically you can do whatever you want here. Next page is next component we have here is the SIM card management. So by default, as I said earlier, he has access to only to the SIM cards that he registered, but you can also tick this to allow him access to all SIM cards available to your account. Even after you enabled him permissions, he will get also for the new SIM cards registered by other users, but I don't want to do that. I want to give him just this SIM card. So yeah, the same thing you can do for contacts. So by default, he only has access to the contacts that he sent messages to first. You can also enable him access to any of the custom contacts. You have them listed here, and yeah, that's it. It's also pretty basic. Alright guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments, and bye.